Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve this exponential equation x to the power x is equal to 3 to the power x plus 9, or left side this is x to the power x is equal to, applying this exponential formula, a to the power m plus n. This can be written as a to the power this m times a to the power of n, a to the power n. Applying this formula in here, 3 to the power x plus 9, we can write this as 3 to the power of this x times 3 to the power this 9. Now divided both side by this 3 to the power x, we can write left side x to the power x divided by 3 to the power x is equal to, right side it will be 3 to the power x times this 3 to the power 9 divided by 3 to the power x. We have divided both sides by this 3 to the power x. Or now applying this exponential formula, a to the power m divided by b to the power m, this can be written as a over b and whole to the power this m. So applying this formula, x to the power x, consider this as a to the power m, this x as m, divided by this as b to the power m. So this can be written as a over b whole to the power m. So this x over this 3 and whole to the power of this common x is equal to, this 3 to the power x and 3 to the power x will cancel and it will be 3 to the power 9. Or now raising both sides power by 1 over 3, we can write x over 3 this term and whole to the power of this x times 1 over 3 is equal to, right side it will be 3 to the power this 9 times 1 over 3. We have taken this 1 over 3 to both sides. Or left side it will be x over 3 whole to the power of this x times 1 over 3. This is x times 1 is x divided by 3. So x over 3 is equal to, right side this will be 3 to the power of this 9 divided by 3. Here it will be 3 and 3 times 1, this is 3. Now comparing this equation to this, a to the power a is equal to b to the power b, when this term we can write a is equal to b. So comparing with this x over 3 as a, so a to the power a is equal to this 3 as b, b to the power b. So according to this we can write a is equal to b. That means this x over 3 or x over 3, this term is equal to this term is equal to 3. Now multiplying both sides by 3, we will get the value of x. So multiplying this 3 to right side, we will get x is equal to this 3 times 3, this is 9. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.